Robert Walter Weir was born June 18, 1803, died May 1, 1889, was an American artist and educator and is considered a painter of the Hudson River School. Weir was elected to the National Academy of Design in 1829 and was an instructor at the United States Military Academy. His best-known work is Embarkation of the Pilgrims in the United States Capitol Rotunda in Washington, D.C. More than 450 of his works are known. And he created many unsigned paintings that may never be attributed to him. He was appointed as teacher of drawing then professor of drawing at the United States Military Academy at West Point, New York. Weir was the fifth artist to hold the position of art instructor at the Academy. During his 42 years in this post, he instructed many of the future commanders of the American Civil War. Among his notable students at West Point were James Abbott, McNeill, Whistler and Seth Eastman.